Hello students, today we are going to discuss our new chapter मुग़ल पेंटिंग। सबसे पहले हम करेंगे मुग़ल पेंटिंग के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। क्वेश्चन इज राइट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मुग़ल स्कूल ऑफ पेंटिंग ऑन मेन फीचर्स। सेम थिंग। मुग़ल पेंटिंग केम विद द मुगल्स, डेवलप विद द मुगल्स एंड ended with end of Mughal rule in India. Babur was always engrossed means interested in one or other war throughout his life, but he kept artists with him. When Mughal came to India and saw Indian Rajasthani painting, they gave a great honor to the Indian artist. This resulted in creation of new style by combination of Indian painting and Persian styles, which began to be called the Mughal style and undoubtedly unique. Manuscripts painting, portrait and miniature painting were done in abundance and were highly liked by every Mughal rulers. The following are characteristics of Mughal art. Number 1, प्रोफाइल फेसेस। प्रोफाइल फेसेस मीन्स पोर्ट्रेट, जैसे हम जो पेंटिंग्स हैं हमारी पोर्ट्रेट्स, उनको प्रोफाइल फेसेस बोलते हैं। प्रोफाइल ऑफ फेसेस इज़ द मेन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ मुगल स्कूल। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द पोर्ट्रेट्स आर एक चश्मा मीन्स सिंगल आइड, एक साइड से वन साइडेड। और प्रोफाइल where the figures are full or half but the faces are ek chashma, but in Iranian paintings we find that chashma one and half eye faces were drawn. Mughals showed greater interest in ek chashma faces after coming to India. Second point, special decoration with borders. This is the main effect of Iranian art on Mughal painting. All the painting have been decorated with border around it which are more ornamented. Ornamented means गहने जो पहने होते हैं। In some paintings borders are more prominent. Prominent means तीखे, जैसे बारीकी से दिखाए गए हैं than the painting. Or we can say that paintings lost इट्स डोमिनेंस ड्यू टू बॉर्डर डेकोरेशन। इनका कहने का मतलब है कि जो पेंटिंग में जो बॉर्डर है इतने प्रोमिनेंट, इतने मीन्स हैवीली दिखाए गए हैं कि पेंटिंग की जो अपना असली रोब है वो कम हो जाता है। रॉयल थर्ड पॉइंट इज़ रॉयल स्प्लेंडर। द मुगल एम्पायर क्राफ्ट फॉर रॉयल स्प्लेंडर एंड डिसिप्लिन। इफ़ देयर इज़ अ सीन ऑफ म्यूजिकल डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, the emperor is shown sitting with bolsters in royal style, and the artists are dancing, singing, or playing in instruments with discipline. We find typically atmosphere of royalty, even the gathering for pleasure. Fourth point is historical scene. Mostly historical scenes have been painted in Mughal schools. Maximum paintings of historical scenes were done in Akbar's time because he gave much importance to the manuscripts painting such as Qissa Amir Hamza. Manuscripts means जो handmade paintings होती हैं, हाथ से बनी हुई। 5 point, fine line drawings. The beautiful thin and thick fine lines can be judged by portrait painting of that style. The artists have tried to paint each and every facial heart of the person, which is really wonderful. Minute detail are also shown with fine lines. Now point 6 is portrait paintings. There is an abundance of portrait painting in the Mughal schools. Abundance means lot of paintings, काफ़ी सारी, ज़्यादातर जो पेंटिंग्स हैं पोर्ट्रेट में बनी गई है मुगल स्कूल्स में। Portrait of saints have also been painted along with emperor. Maximum portrait paintings were done ड्यूरिंग शाहजहाँ's reign. Reign means रूल्स, उसके जो राज्य में बनी गई थी. 7 point garments. Garments are beautifully and ornamentally painted in the Mughal paintings. Transparent chunnis have been painted. Most of the garments are summer season. The male figures are shown wearing angakhas and churidar pajamas. Adorned turban on their heads. जो है हेड पे उन लोगों ने टर्बन्स पहनी हुई हैं. कैन बी सीन विच आर वेल डेकोरेटेड. द यूज ऑफ स्ट्रिपलिंग इज शोन विद डेलिकेट शेडिंग. स्ट्रिपलिंग मीन्स पर्दे जो होते हैं, ड्रेपरी पीछे जो होती है वो. 8 point religious themes. There is a depiction of Indian epics. Epics means literature, mythology and love stories such as the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Nal Damayanti and Panchtantra stories. There was also depiction of Islamic, Arabian and Persian episodes. Religion had inspired the artists to paint for publicity and propagation. Propagation means growth के लिए. And this is the symbol and proof of greatness of the Mughal emperor. 9 point depiction of nature. Trees, plants, rivers and mountains etc. have been beautifully depicted in Mughal paintings. The natural scenes painted shown hunting scenes, battle scenes. A lion is shown trying to eat his prey. If there had been 3 types of trees in a painting, their leaves were painted differently with accuracy. Ornaments. Next point है 10 number. Ornaments, designs. All the paintings of court we find have beautiful ornamental design on wall of places, ceiling and floors. The designs are geometrical, floral and creepers are rhythmic and smooth. Creepers में जो plants दिखाए गए हैं. 11 point expressions of ideas. The different sentiments have been beautifully painted in this painting. The depiction of sad emperor, obedient servants, restless queens and nervous boatmen are noteworthy. Similarly, every idea is clearly visible in the painting. Point 12 number. Golden and silver colors. Golden and silver color have been mostly used in painting. In the necklace and footwear, the golden and silver color are used with care. In borders also there is wonderful use of golden color. Point 13. The use of calligraphy. Most of the painting have calligraphy on it in black ink. Even artists' name have been written beautifully. Point 14. Depiction of animals and birds. Animals and birds painting depicting is also one of the main characteristics of Mughal art. Ustad Mansoor was the best bird painter. He painted different bird quite freely. A falcon on perch, bird rest. जो painting है ना, falcon on the bird rest, ये उस्ताद मंसूर की painting है. Is matchless paintings. Elephant flights, camel flights have also been painted beautifully. Lion, tigers, horses and goats etc. have been depicted marvelously. बहुत अच्छे से दिखाए गए हैं सारी पेंटिंग्स. ये पॉइंट है लास्ट हमारे ये 15. नेचुरल कलर्स. Mostly mineral and natural colors are used which are attractive. In the beginning flat colors were used but later on One can also see the depth which delicate shading of colors. The appropriate colors have been applied with great care in painting. ये हमारे हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू पॉइंट्स। आप लोगों ने ये सारे पॉइंट्स के हिसाब से सारा ही डिस्क्राइब करना है।